If you're looking to sell digital marketing services with ease, Vendasta is the platform you need to know about. Stick around because in this video, I'll show you how to leverage Vendasta to offer powerful digital marketing services that drive results. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to get started, and the best part is, you can try it for free with an exclusive bonus from the link below. Vendasta is a white label platform that allows agencies and professionals like you to sell digital marketing services under your own brand. Whether you're new to digital marketing or have experience, this software streamlines the process, making it easier to manage clients and grow your business. First thing, Vendasta provides an all-in-one solution for digital marketing. From reputation management and social media marketing to SEO and website creation, everything you need to offer as a service is at your fingertips. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started, and that's what makes Vendasta so accessible for digital marketing professionals. Next thing, Vendasta's marketplace is packed with a wide range of tools that allow you to select exactly what your clients need. You can choose from thousands of prepackaged services, tools, and solutions and easily resell them with your own branding. It's like having your own digital marketing toolbox without needing to create everything from scratch. The third thing to consider is the power of automation. With Vendasta, you can automate a lot of the tedious tasks involved in digital marketing, saving time and focusing more on growing your business. Automating client reports, emails, and follow-ups means you don't need to spend hours on administrative work. The fourth thing is the platform's client management system. Vendasta allows you to manage multiple clients in one place. You can easily track their campaigns, communicate with them, and keep them updated with the performance of their digital marketing services. Everything is organized and streamlined, so nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's talk about selling. Vendasta offers a lot of resources to help you sell digital marketing services effectively. With tools like sales playbooks, email templates, and client acquisition strategies, you can get up to speed quickly and start selling right away. It's a great option if you're just getting into the sales side of things. Finally, the most important part of this video, how can you get started for free? Well, I've got an exclusive bonus for you. Click the link in the description below to access Vendasta's free trial and start using the software immediately with no upfront cost. You'll have access to the full platform to see how it works and if it fits your needs before making any commitments. Remember, Vendasta is a powerful tool that can take your digital marketing business to the next level. It's a game changer for professionals looking to sell digital marketing services with a trusted platform. Don't forget, you can access an exclusive extended free trial using the link below, so get started now. That's it for today's video. If you're ready to jump in, check out the link in the description to start using Vendasta for free with the exclusive bonus. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next video.